stop what you're doing. Let me fix your hand drumming right now. I'm Kalani, this is World Drum Club. I'm gonna share with you the top 3 mistakes that I see people making when they play hand drums. I've traveled all over the world, you guys, and I've seen a lot of people playing hand drums, and maybe they're self-taught or they're taught by ear and they haven't had good teachers, and they're doing these things, and I want you to stop doing them if you're doing them. All right, so let's see, first of all, if you're doing these, and then if you are, I'm going to tell you what to do to fix it. All right, so number 1 is what I call coming up short or splitting your fingers, just coming up short on the finger use. So that means that if you're hitting the drum, and I see people doing this, hitting the drum way out here at the edge where maybe you're in your first knuckles here, right? From the tip. If you're hitting the drum there, it's going to be weak. You could bruise your fingers. It's not going to be a good sound, all right? So what we want to do is move onto the drum to where your knuckle line is at the bearing edge, pretty much, right? So this is the bearing edge where the skin folds over the edge of the shell. We want our knuckles about there where our fingers meet our palm. That's basically going to give you the most meat on the drum. So you get a nice sound, nice open sound. And also you can play your slaps here. Maybe we move up a little. People do slaps differently, but basically you want to be here, not out here. All right, so if you're out here with a thin ass sound, you got to move in. All right, number 2, we're moving on. Grabbing, swiping, cupping the drum. Let me show you another view. So if you're doing this and trying to grab onto the head, you know, grabbing, or you've got this kind of swiping thing going on. I see a lot of people will do like, they'll hit the drum and their hand is moving different ways. I don't know where it's going, but now it's not even near the drum. All right, so what we want to do is we want to be efficient. We want to stay on the drum head, you know, minimal effort, and just stay focused and don't curve your hand a lot. What I do see is people doing this kind of thing where they're really, it's very grabby. All right, we're not trying to pick up the drum. We're just trying to strike it with a nice relaxed hand and get the sounds out. So you're not squeezing the sounds out of the drum. You're not swiping the sounds out of the drum. Just keep your hand, you know, centered on the drum. Go up and down, not side to side. Don't grab it. Don't squeeze it. Don't swipe. It's not a credit card, right? Don't stop doing this. All right, so get a mirror and check that. If you're doing it, I want you to stop it and then just practice simple movements, all right? Efficient. All right, number 3, the last one is what I call hand jamming or palm jamming. And I've had people ask me about this, so I know some of you are doing this, so stop it if you're doing it, all right? And that is where they come in kind of from an angle and they're hitting their palm. They're striking their palm. I've had people literally ask me, should I hit the drum with my palm first and then my fingers? Like they're trying to, again, sort of like trying to jam their hand into the drum. Don't do that, you guys. Stop it if you're doing that. Really, you're going to hurt yourself. I don't want you to hurt yourself. All right? I want you to feel good and play and sound good. So you don't need to jam your hand down. One of the ways you can stop doing that is to flatten your hand out a little bit. Right? And you see where I'm moving? I'm just moving up and down. It's not coming in. I'm not doing this, poking at the drum. I'm not coming in here, right? I'm exaggerating right now. So I'm not coming in sideways. All right, it's just straight down, nice and easy. And same for the slap, all right? Nice and easy. You don't want to jam your fingers or hand into the drum. You're going to bruise your hand. So look, if you follow all of these tips, you'll be able to play more relaxed. You're not going to hurt yourself, all right? So you'll feel better and you will like drumming instead of not liking it because now you're hurting yourself. I don't want you to hurt yourself. You're also going to sound better, all right? You'll sound better. You'll be more relaxed. You'll be more comfortable. It's all positives, all right? So if you guys like these tips, give it a thumbs up. And then see me at patreon.com/Kalani if you'd like to learn more from me. I have a lot of experience. I'm not the fanciest player in the world, but I know how to help people sound good and play music. So come see me over there at patreon.com/Kalani. Thanks for watching, you guys. Good luck drumming. Go out and make some great music. I'll see you in another video.